Well, good day everyone. Brodie's just going to pull apart one of these. We've never seen one of these pulled apart online. It's a Redback A4115 15 watt stereo amplifier. Now I do know that these are outdated, and also he's going to pull apart this thing here, data logic number 2. I'll just hold it up again. It's just a barcode reader, and he'd just like to see what's inside that. So here we go. We'll start off with the amplifier. So here we go. How are you today, Brodie? You good?
Good.
Yeah,
a little bit tired for the other video what we did.
Okay.
Just need to...
Bit tired, are they?
Yeah.
I'll just pause that for a second. We might get a bit of screwdriver. Okay, we're back live again. Now, we just noticed there before that what had happened was Brodie was undoing the jack at the back of the amplifier. Now, we do understand that this is a working appliance at the moment, so we really don't want to destroy it. We'd just like to pull it apart and just see exactly what's inside to give everyone out there an understanding of what's inside it. I think there's two screws we have on the back, and then just have a look around this side, 2 on each side I believe. I'll just show you the back of this. There we go, while Brodie's undoing that. Yeah, it's quite a good little amplifier from what I've read, so looking forward to seeing what's inside of this. Just looking in now, I can obviously see there's some copper in there, isn't there? Yeah. Alright, won't be too much longer and we should have this out. Just move those out of your way, Brodie. 2 more to go, I believe. Just get around there.
If you want to know why the screws keep on sticking to the screwdriver,
Why do they do that?
because it's a magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet. That makes it handy for undoing screws, doesn't it? Holds them in place. There we go. Righto, now how do we get off? We'll see there.
I think I'm almost got it. Yeah.
Yep, it's coming. Oh, look at that. It slides off just like a computer does. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. Now let's put it over in the light a little bit.
Yeah.
We can just have a bit of a look. Okay, from what you understand, what can you see, Brodie?
Some copper in these.
Just a moment, we'll just get a close-up look. Yeah, there is a lot of copper there, and there's the wires with copper. What else can we see?
Some fuses.
And I'll just get a close in on that. Wow, there is a lot of fuses in there.
Aluminium.
Right, that's a heat sink, isn't it? Yeah. And there's some chips down there. Can you point out the chips? Yep, there's their chips. They're probably IC chips. I'm not an expert, and Brodie doesn't. There's some more IC chips over there. Wow. Yeah, well, that's quite interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, and then
that's
some
quite
batteries.
A large heat sink.
Some batteries.
Oh, they're just terminals. They alternate the power, I believe. I think they move the power around and change it from one voltage to another.
Yeah, and then
or
right
amperage.
here is like a little
a jack, for attaching left and right speakers. All right, well, that's quite interesting. We'll just put that aside, and we'll move on to the reader. I'll move that out while you grab that, and you can start away on that. Just mix the screws up there.
I'm tying my hand up.
Okay. I'll come back around the other side. Yeah, this is another interesting thing. We have never pulled apart one of these before, have we, mate? Okay.
These pliers.
Oh, yes, what are you going to do there? You're going to cut the cord, eh?
Yep.
And what's inside these cords?
Copper wire.
Yeah, okay. Have a look.
Yeah.
Just hold it steady and we'll just zoom in there. Oh, there we go. Okay. And put that aside. Let's have a look inside. This one here is just an old card reader, a barcode reader, sorry, not a card reader. We've already done one of those once before.
Almost done.
Doing that a funny way there, mate. Turn on the appliance rather than the screw. Oh no, let me hold it for you.
Yeah.
There we go. That's better. Okay. It's quite interesting that we get all these different things from our friends and we find them in rubbish tins, and if you check out one of our other videos we actually found today, we're out doing a clean, where we found a Barbie doll.
And we also found a tennis ball.
Tennis ball, right. Still spinning around. Yeah, so, you know, if we find something and like these here and we don't know what's in them and we haven't seen one online before, we like to pull them apart, just have a look, because they're only going to go to waste, and if we can save a bit of copper, aluminium, or any other metal, we'll save it and hopefully get a couple of dollars for it in the process. Okay, one more to go there.
Comment down below what your favourite Avenger is.
Avengers.
And comment down below what your favourite DC superhero is. My DC is Shazam, and my favourite Marvel Avenger character is Spider-Man.
Okay, we're going to rip that one out. Can you get that one out by hand now?
No.
Still not. Okay, there we go. Let's try and open that up there.
So there's this.
Carefully. You try it on this end here. Put it over there.
Oh yeah.
Try and get it in that way there. Yeah, I'll hold it for you. No, at the top here, mate.
Okay. Yeah.
Squeeze it around the plug there. Oh, you nearly have it. Alright, we'll just pause that for a sec. Oh, back live again. Yeah, just do that again.
So we've got it open. I'm just gonna try to it's a little bit harder trying to move these together.
Oops, sorry about that. Let me hold the bottom of it for you. Okay, okay. No, no good.
Ooh.
Just hold that. That's it. Hold it hard. Right. There we go.
Whoa.
Bit drastic.
Yep.
We've got it. Let's have a look inside. Okay. Wow.
Now this goes like in here somewhere.
Right.
So
Is there much in there? Can we have a look inside? Oh, yeah, we've got a few chips in there, haven't we?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
That's quite interesting. Can we just pull that out into the light?
Yeah.
And just get a close up there for everyone. Okay. Okay, so we have a lot of chips in there.
Yeah, just
And that's just about it, isn't it?
off.
Oh, we've got it off. Can you turn that board over for us on the other side?
There's
Oh,
some
look
more
at that.
chips.
Yeah, a nice big
And then
chip
there's
there.
like a button here.
Yeah. And there's no battery backup.
No.
Okay, we'll just have a look at the end of the card reader itself there, just so that people get an eye. See, there it is. All right, well, that was very interesting. There's not much we're going to salvage out of that.
No.
We'll just put that board into our
collection
of boards, and we'll go from there.
And then we might see you in the next video.
All right.
Peace.